Hello guys, welcome to and it's a very interesting strategy that you can use to trade crash and almost every synthetic indices. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how I actually use this, and I'll be showing you guys all the settings, okay, for the indicators that you need for the strategy. It is a very simple strategy. If you follow the rules of the strategy, I tell you and I promise you that you make some money. Okay, so this is one of the open trade I have, boom, 1000. Okay, I have closed actually most of my trades today. You can see this is an ongoing trade, and yeah, this is the profit of okay, this is today's profit. You can see we had some losses, actually we had some losses, but we are profitable. You understand, this strategy is working perfectly fine. All right, so this is one of the one of my early entry. I was able to catch this entry here, and you can see even within the spikes and everything, I am profitable. So with this strategy and a little bit of price action, I promise you that this is going to be a wow. You can use it to grow small accounts, you can use it to trade big accounts. Any type of account is tradable with this strategy. Okay, so if you are getting content from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and you'll be getting free and very functional strategy that has already been back tested and will make you a lot of money. Okay, so without much delay, let me show you the indicators we'll be needing for this. All right, so first things first, you go to your indicators tab. All right, and what we need first is moving average, which is to be on our main chart. Okay, so now the moving average I'll be using is going to be our period is going to be period 40. Understand, it's going to be simple. Okay, you apply to close and you select the color that you want. Okay, let me put on red. You don't have to select any levels, and you click on done. Okay, you click on done. Now you see this stuff here. This is real magic. This is real magic already, guys. So on any time frame you can navigate, and this is going to work for you. Right, so the next one will be needing, you can even actually trade with only this, but for a confirmation entries, we'll be needing another indicators, and we'll come back here, you click on this, and you go for your mark D. All right, so now for your MACD, the setting is, you can screenshot this. The fast EMA is going to be 12, your slow EMA is going to be 26, and your MACD SMA is going to be what, 9. You apply to close. The first one 1 pixel and 3 pixel. Okay, the levels you can leave it like that. Okay, the levels, you can make sure it is white based on the background of your screen. If it's black, you select black, so you click on done. So now we have a MACD here. You getting the point? We have a MACD here. So how do we trade with this? So now the way you trade with this is that anytime that this your moving average crosses over the charts, understand, when it crosses over the charts, you go for what? You go for a sell. When it crosses over a chart, you do what? You go for a sell. Now I am on the 4 hours time frame. I'm going to go on the lower time frame to show you guys. So you can see that every candle that is represented here is for 4 hours. Now look at when the candle crosses over. You can see all the profit that the person is bagging if you've caught this trade. Now this crossing over is your first confirmation. Your what? Your first confirmation. Now I want to use this line to show you something. Now this MACD below here represents all this candle up here. So you can see this candle here, this candle, and this candle. This is the point where the line crosses over the chart. Let's look at the next candle. Look at the next candle here. You can see that the candle now is at the 0 level. You can see the 0 level. This level here is at the 0 level, guys, at the 0 level. So what you need to do for your first confirmation is when this moving average crosses over the line and this your MACD is at the 0 or below. So sometimes it might be at the 0 level and still go back up, you get, but when it's now below, you have gotten your 2 confirmations to enter a sell trade, and look how the trade kept on coming down. Now that is what happened here. So let's go below 15 minutes. On a 15-minute time frame, you can see that is for quicker entry. Now let me show you something. You can this we are on a 15-minute time frame, so let's go back to 30-minute time frame. Let me show you something. On the 30-minute time frame, you can see that it is just crossing a little bit, but I am already in the trade. Why? Because I look for my entry on a lower time frame. You get? Now I came here and I saw that this is because I know that it's going to finally come down, and actually I entered very early. Let's see. Let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, we can see this is on the zero. This candle is on the zero, and I entered the trade. I see the crossing over, and I have been in profit. That is how I was able, because I was in very little lot size. That's how I've been able to trade all this that you were seeing, all this that you are seeing here. Look at the profit that we made today. $1,500. Okay, so this strategy is actually working. This strategy is functional. Now that is for your sell. Now what if you want to buy? This is a buy entry here. You can see the candle here. You can see the candle. Now if it's above the MACD and the line is below the chart, you enter for a buy signal. When the MACD is above, when it is above, you can see here, when the MACD is around this level here, that is above the zero level, and this line, this moving average is below the chart, you can go in for a buy, guys. So let's back test and see how functional this is. Now you can do it on boom, you can do it on crash. You understand? It still works. It works. You can see it works. You can do it on crash. Let me show you guys on step index. Same strategy. Same strategy working, guys. Look at it. If you have entered in from here, let me show you. Now the MACD is above the zero level, and the chart and the moving average is below the chart. You can see is below the chart, and the MACD right here is what is above the zero level. You enter in for what? For a buy order, and this is profit, guys. This is profit, guys. So I want you guys to test out this strategy. Understand? You need to practice and practice. If it's possible to create another demo account and practice on your demo account before actually using your money, but I tell you that this strategy is working perfectly fine, guys. So please, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing in more and interesting strategy for you guys. Okay, see you in my next video.